Guys, what's up? Kirby Smith, Lightspeed Construction. Hope everybody's having a great August so far. I'm just in the Hardin Valley area of Knoxville, Tennessee, on top of a roof overlooking the water. And I want to talk to you guys today about boards of the roof that have issues and problems because of ventilation. So this property has front slope right here, back slope is west facing, and back slope, I don't know if you guys can see, you've got humping wavy roof right there, humping wavy roof right here, you got humps right there, humps right here, probably in total about, I don't know, maybe between 5 and 12 places. A little bit more right there. I hope I'm pointing it in the right direction. The front really doesn't represent that. It doesn't have kind of that humpy waviness in the front. It just is not really there. And the owner and I had stepped into the attic space and taken a look, and so it's all vaulted ceiling with the exception of just a little bit of footprint, and the vaulted ceiling does not vent. And so we're putting together a proposal because I believe we're going to want to go ahead and remove and replace all of the boards here on this slope, and then that slope that's separated but more or less on the same roof line, kind of, if that makes sense. So all these west facing boards he wants to replace because of this waviness. And while doing so, I wanted to get, and I'm gonna use the word louvered. I think that's right. I can't remember the other term, but more or less it is a system where we put styrofoam and push down the insulation and then put the deck boards above. So we create a cavity that goes all the way up the roof line. So it'll come all the way up and allow this portion of roof to breathe, at least on the west facing. And so that's kind of what we're accomplishing here, is just making sure that scope looks acceptable and is going to make sense, and certainly don't want to ruin anybody's new roof or new boards by not ventilating properly. I think the mention is that we're probably going to keep this east facing slope. I think that it just isn't going to make a ton of sense. From the inside, the boards look like they're in pretty good shape, but certainly as things happen, you've got some hot parts to the roof, and that's kind of why you're most likely seeing this buckling over these between 5 and maybe 12 or 15 places here along the back portion of this roof. Guys, thank y'all so much. Appreciate y'all letting me get that out. My name is Kirby Smith. I'm with Lightspeed Construction. Please reach out to my company, Lightspeed, Lite speedconstruction.com, if we could ever help you guys with your next roofing or gutter project in Asheville or in Knoxville, Tennessee. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.